Does anyone have any good accents that they can do?
Yeah.
I can do a great Tairāwhiti accent.
A British.
A British, yeah, I'm British,
I went to
actually.
tea and it was like really good.
Oh, you might. Yeah, definitely. He is Australian.
I'd say British is my forte.
Kia ora, I'm Ben from Drax Project. We're at Smokefreerockquest 2024 in Tairāwhiti, right here in Gisborne. Quite possibly the best place in the world, also possibly home to your next favourite artist. Let's go check it out. Everyone's cycling in. We've just caught up with these guys, Blackberry Jam. If you guys could have any musician over for dinner,
John Lennon.
what are you going to make him?
Probably some spaghetti.
Spaghetti?
Yeah.
Straight from the can?
No, like proper like meatballs and everything, you know?
All right, all the bands are in. There's butterflies everywhere. They're backstage. Let's go check it out. We're authorized. We're all good. If you had to use like a breed of dog to describe your music, what would it be?
Chihuahua. Chihuahua. Nah. Actually, yeah. A big dog that runs around a lot. Yeah.
Water collie.
Pit bulls. Yeah.
Pit bulls.
Maybe a brown type-ish dog.
A brown dog.
Very specific, I know.
Guys, I'm sorry, we have to ask. The potassium? What's with the bananas?
It's supposed to help you not shake, so we're eating them. It gets rid of all the nerves.
Really? That's an actual thing? I haven't heard that before. Nah, you. Alright, so out of you boys, who's most likely to be late for band practice? Oh, he knows it though, he knows it. Who's most likely to muck up on stage?
Probably me. This guy.
Oh, you guys are self-aware, it's good.
Taira beatbox out.
Yeah. All right, we're up the top. They're about to start. Let's go check them out. Me and Az, we're here with Rising Revolution. They just got off stage. How you guys feeling?
Oh, I feel great.
Pretty mean? Yeah, you guys killed it, I reckon. That was sick. Where are you guys from?
Oh, we're from Tolaga Bay, up the coast, East Coast.
What's up with the pink?
So we're wearing pink shirts and pink stuff for Pink Shirt Day, which is anti-bullying. Didn't think they'd agree to it, but they did, so.
Great idea, and shop boys for going along. Awesome. I'm here with Junior, just got off stage. How do you think not smoking or vaping benefits your voice at all? Do you think it helps you?
I think it does.
Yeah?
I used to smoke, and my voice was definitely not as good as this.
Yeah, right.
I can say that.
You heard it there.
Malolele, you are at Rockquest Tairāwhiti 2024.
And I always get scared before I go on, and then you're on, and everyone's cheering, and it makes me feel so good.
What have you got to lose?
Yeah.
What have you got to lose? But also, what have you got to gain?
You've got everything to gain. Everything to gain.
Just do it!
That's a wrap here for Smokefreerockquest 2024, right here in Tairāwhiti. Damn, what a crazy evening. So much talent, so much diversity. So much better than I was when I was their age. Crazy. Can't imagine what it was like around the rest of the country. Make sure to check it all out. See you at the next one. Peace.